Attorney Trixie, nagsalita na.
Parang pagko-cross, pag-examine or pag-i-interrogate or pagtatanong, yung questioning kina Doc Lorraine at saka kay Ka Eric ay medyo bordering on opinion. Kumbaga, meron pinapahayag na opinion sina Doc Lorraine at saka sina Ka Eric, tapos ini-interpret din ng mga kongresista. Bukod pa dito, parang, and I was a little bothered by it on two things. Number one, subpoenaing phone records is not usually requires a judicial clearance. Ibig sabihin, kailangan nagpapaalam sa hukuman dahil may expectation of privacy for that. So medyo worried ako sa mga ganon at saka yung mga conclusions ng mga kongresista natin na sinasabi nila na the number of complaints indicates na nag-violate ng franchise ang SMNI. Hindi po ako palo sa ganun reasoning. Kasi kaya nga may naka-file na kaso, kailangan patunayan pa yon. Hindi pa natin alam or wala pang makakapagsabi kung yung mga actions nila constitute any violation of rules doon sa NTC, sa MTRCB, or sa KBP. So, I am concerned na ang mga kongresista natin are portraying themselves or are starting to appear like they're very oppressive. Ngayon, I'd like to think na yung mga kongresista natin ay maayos naman sa kanilang isip, but they probably think na, simple lang itong hearing nila, pero my worry is that sarili nga nilang rules parang hindi nasusunod. For example, yun nga sa right to counsel ni Ka Eric. So, naiintindihan ko yung reaction niya kung bakit ayaw niyang sumagot then because there is the SOTO law. Ngayon, yung SOTO law ay nagpoprotekta sa mga journalists at nakakabahala yung response ng isang kongresista na sabihin niya na this applies only to accredited journalists. Excuse me po, wala naman pong board exam ang journalists and wala naman pong tests to become a journalist. In fact, ang definition nga ng Korte Suprema, kung di ako nagkakamali, and I'm quoting Attorney Ahmed here, is that pagka nagpapahayag ka, you're a journalist. So, ngayon, for purposes of the SOTO law rin, I'm not sure kung mag-a-apply nga si Ka Eric because it has not been tested. So, kailangan ang hukuman ang mag-determine kung papasok siya o hindi dun sa SOTO law. But for now, the presumption is he has asserted his right to protect his source. Pero pinipilit siya na sumagot. So, well, naiintindihan ko yung reaction niya. At the same time, of course, nire-respeto natin. Mayroon talagang power to detain for contempt ang Kongreso. And they can detain the person until he or she stops being in contempt or until the end of the Congress, which is the 19th Congress. Pero sila mismo, they held back at sinabi until such a time as mailabas yung committee report, which I think might also take some time. So sabi ni Roger, bakit yung SOTO Law publication, newspaper at magazine lang ang covered? Because they really have a bias for protecting in journalists of major newspapers and traditional media. So, hindi pa nila kinikilala sa Kongreso or sa Senado yung pagpapahayag ng ordinaryong mamamayan, yung self-publication through microblogging which are on the social media platforms. Sabi ni Uniwise, paano po matutulungan sina Doc Lorraine at Ka Eric legally? Constitutional crisis na po ba ito as brazen violation of rights and freedom of speech? Ang constitutional crisis po ang nangyayari when two or more of the branches of government have opposing views or they have taken opposing stands at kumbaga mandate versus mandate. ng dalawa o tatlong branches of government so that things come to a standstill at walang magawa either one kasi nobody will break the tie. Kumbaga. So in this case, wala naman pong constitutional crisis kasi wala namang ibang branch of government that is involved. However, both Doc Lorraine and Mr. Celis can take the matter to a court and see if the judiciary will take cognizance of this para maprotektahan ang kanilang karapatan. Remember, nanalo si Lincoln Ong sa kanyang kaso sa Supreme Court. Sabi ni Shinichi, Ka-Eric is a former cadre na bumalik na sa demokrasya. What the HOR did was prove democracy doesn't work. Well, I'd like to think that it works, but it's just that some people abuse the system. It's very close to it, Kian. Sabi niya kasi, is this a repeat of what happened to the family execs? Well, it's very similar. Uy, may COA report po. Sabi ni Ma'am Liesel, how come walang COA report for the expenses of Congress? Tama ba ni DC? Hindi po. Ang wala lang po ay hindi po nakalagay sa kanilang website yung sa audit, if any, of the expenses of of Congress. Kumbaga, generic ang nilalagay nila at saka ipinapronounce nila or pinapost naman nila kung yung status like tama yung pagka-liquidate, tama yung they're in good standing and so on. Tama ba yung inasal ng mga kongresista natin? Well, it's not so much right or wrong as it is that they may have made bad decisions dun sa kanilang pagpo-portray. Unang-una, ang dami nila. Pangalawa, kung makapagsalita sila dun sa mga witnesses or resource persons, para naman silang utusan na kung sino lang I would prefer that our congressmen acted with more deference. Kasi meron pang yung mga dakdak ka dyan ng dakdak. I mean, is that something that a congressman should say to a witness? To any ordinary person? Do these congressmen understand how the power works here? Because power comes from the people. So, and do they understand that when it comes to elections, people might remember this? Do you see this as another abuse of contempt powers? Kasi I think sa karambola ko narinig na dapat pinagbobotohan ng buong body, di lang committee. Hindi po. Wait. But I wasn't the one who said that. Let me look into that, Roger, ha? You're right about bringing up that issue. But let me research on it kasi ayoko namang magkamali na at kumalat yung pagkakamali. Sabi ni Hugot, kaya ba papanagutin ang lawmaker sa MOOE kasi mas higit na malala yan kesa sa... kaya ba panagutin? Mas higit pa yung malala kesa sa comment ni Ka-Eric Celis. Well, yes. I think kaya because that's how democracy should be working. Sabi ni Jorans, as if Castro's feelings are hurt but we're not buying it. Ay! Sabi ni Johan, kung lagon lang ako, bubugahan ko ng apoy isa-isa sa mga... Very specific kasi yung sinabi ng Supreme Court. Let me post the Supreme Court ruling dun sa kay Lincoln Ong. Ilang days ba allowed detained on contempt? Kasi kahapon parang parang habang buhay na. Okay, tama yung mga kongresista na bawal ang indefinite na detention. Okay, so to be fair sa mga kongresista, hindi naman nila pronounce yun. So ang sabi nila, the detention will be only until ma-release yung committee report. Ngayon, di natin alam kung gaano katagal yung committee report na yan. However, ang maximum period will be until the end of this Congress. And this is the 19th Congress. Matatapos siya sa 2025.
Ang nakita po ninyo ang kagandahang dulot ng SMNI in our fight against the CPP, NPA, NDF. What is your stand po, sir?
I am strongly supporting SMNI dahil alam ko sinusugal ng SMNI yung kanilang lahat ng resources, pati na rin yung kanilang buhay, yung kanilang safety ay ng kanilang buhay, kanilang sinusugal para sa laban dito sa CPP, NPA, NDF. So kaisa po ako ng SMNI. Kung saan papunta ang SMNI, nandoon din ako. Kaya kung darating man yung cancellation ng prangkisa ng SMNI, darating man yan sa punto na makapasa sa lower house at pupunta doon sa amin sa Senado, well, maasahan po ninyo ako na alam ko what SMNI is doing.
Sir, aside from you, we have also other comrades doon sa Senate na nakita ang kagandahang dulot.
Well, some of our comrades are just silent, but alam ko yung pulso ng kanilang puso. Alam ko kung saan sila nagsasign.
Sir, mensahe po ninyo sa lahat ng viewers ng SMNI worldwide.
Sa ating mga viewers ng SMNI, worldwide, kung ano man yung mga pagsubok na dinaranas ngayon ng SMNI, well, I am with you. I am with you. Walang iwanan ito. Kasama po niyo ako sa mga pagsubok na yan. And just hope and pray na malusutan natin yung pagsubok na yan. Huwag kayong mawalan ng lakas ng loob. Fight lang, tuloy lang ang laban. Kasi kapag tayo mawala ng lakas ng loob, sino makikinabang? Yung mga kalaban natin sa kaliwa. Silang mamamayagpag kapag wala ng SMNI. Dahil isa lang ang nakikita kong istasyon na talagang sympathetic to the cause of this country, kundi ang SMNI. Yan lang nakikita ko. Yung iba, meron mang pinapakita pero hindi kasing tindi ng pinapakita ng SMNI kung gaano nila kamahal ang ating bansa. Kaya andyan po ako, kasama niyo ako palagi.